And mommy say fi stay away from them circle. Me and SWAT team stay far. This for the crime minister representing. Hey, pretty girl Sam, fret them, Dr. Love, kick them far.
Why not come? Never did I go lay down side of you. You understand me? Because it's not night of the living blood clot dead. It's not Friday the 13th. Where? You understand me? You saw me never, you know, say this woman come. I'ma say to her, say, Bashi, leave me alone. I'm not getting involved in this argument. I don't want to get involved. Why this woman I keep come for me? I sex her.
She wants you. Remember, you're not true. She wants you. She all come for me. Yeah? I'm going to tell you, say, I get the people them on IG problem. You and fucking Tom. I'm tired to tell you, you should have never start wave Tom around here, because one of them turn fucking fool.
Now I'm telling you, this is a serious thing. This is about more at the Bible. Bree, grab the Bible. You said God come to me right now. I said to me, grab the Bible, Bree. Come on, when I say this is a witness. You said God come to me and said to me, say, Annie, me I go give you a cocky, fuck Bashi. Me I go say no, me I go get straight. Yeah? Me I tell you that. If God come to me right now and say, Annie, me I go give you the cocky where you should have did bad with. Fuck, you have to fuck Bashi first. Me I say, God, you know why you make a mistake, you go keep that body there. Me go and continue with Mr. Rubber. You understand me until you're ready for me come. I never did I go fuck she. Nope. Them saying a life, you never have to say never. But when they so come, me I go say, before me fuck Bashi, me take a man. That's how deep it is. Before me take Bashi, me would take a cocky. Would I make a boy spin me over upside down, flip me like acrobat, drop me back here, fuck boy like him all and rape me. The way I'm gonna fuck she. May I tell you that? Muda get straight instantly. Muda say any man out the road in the line up and come dig up me dirty wall. Come fuck me because me nah fuck that woman there. Are you mad? Are you blood clot mad? Are you mad? Are you mad? Nah. No. Me not choking Bashi. You understand me? So I don't know what Bashi are
talking recruit people for war.
Leave me alone.
I tried to tell you what will happen if you keep calling people.
You go
people, me I go start a charity. We need to get some old girl off of IG.
You understand me? And it
go fund me.
For come for me, and then you go for push to call my sister name because you know so once you call my sister name, Bashi, you know what you're doing, you try fuck with my mental health, you know, for the past couple of blood clot week, you know. You understand me? Bashi, me assign blood clot mad, you know. Bashi, me register mad from them kill blood clot bigger. Bashi, it depend me birth paper too. And Marie Rose blood clot or just a mental health. I eat right there so it blood clot stop. Bashi fuck with me. Bashi fuck with me, I'm a family them. Bashi fuck with me, I'm a blood clad family them. No, you saw Bashi make me a draw my good clip from underneath my blood clad foot. You saw Bashi make me take my clit from underneath my foot and I put in my mouth for cause that woman here. You saw me I tell that woman here from where they say, yo, me don't in it. Me don't in no cussing. Me not cuss down. Me not pick no side. You understand me? Because people them pick nothing.
Them not get no money.
That's all me say now. Bree, and that's what me say. I'm not getting involved. Bree, and that's what me say.
You're not getting involved. Me say you're not fucking getting involved. Me tell Bashi, me tell Tanya upon the show, the thing too far, when it's too big, there is too much all woman in this fucking argument. Yeah. Kids, everybody involved, me done. It now reach back on air. Bashi still come back. I'ma deal with Bashi behind the fucking scenes. You understand? Because Bashi think a joke thing. You see all of these big old women, them love to talk about for them life nice, them have this and them have that. You know have shit, you have too much time for fucking IG. Yeah, IG is not paying none of them. If them they take the time and energy with them have and strength in this argument if you run for 3, 4, 5 years and put that in a them blood clot life, them would be some real rich bitches, some real bitch, some real bad rich bitches.
I'm gonna fix up ourselves, just a shadow exercise. want know if your belly can beat till it reach for your knee and you sit along down.
Hey, when me ask them, me don't hear some people they go and do up them body and them body don't do all now. So
Yeah, one with exercise can help.
Body though, the doctor put them in a make them drop asleep and stab them up. The doctor say, I eat you, I eat your body. Move your blood clot what you want. This can fix. This can blood clot fix. Young. The doctor
that's too
stab them.
disgusting.
Rossi, me I pray for you tonight. I do say me bag. Me I go pray for you and push tonight. And this new lady we add to the blood clot 3 years ago argument to a ball so she don't know nobody. And she will shoot up the place and she will shoot up. She know much time we lock down Hanover Street, Rumley and south side and all about. Here she bring up gun fast, she can't shoot nobody. Me say them have an alligator pan down at Rush Park she live. Why should not jump in there and go try fight with one of the alligator them, man? Me tell you for class.
Alligator no want fight she. Them say she look too tough. But me see, yo, people.
Bree, every time I come on the IG, I'm cuss and I go on so bad. It gone away name. I not even know what name. Honestly, I don't know what name, you know. YouTube and all these things.
YouTube.
I'm
Dad.
tired.
Where people are make money off of people. That's what I'm going to tell you now again. Screen record it, do it. If you're bad, I will sue your blood clot. Yeah. Me was poor.
Yes, look, I know every day there in Jamaica, some of them people I wouldn't even chat to them, you know.
We wanna talk to them.
Won't even look on them, Dan. First of all, you won't even blood clot look past some of them. Cause when you come down at judges there, them know when you come, and when you go up judges there, them know you come. Yeah. You see me? I ain't in no talking, and you dep on the corner, and then you there have mustering, and you go about your business. You not chat to people. Me not look on blood clot people neither. I come so bad, me I go check a girl, and then me I come back from checking a girl, and I come.
Not lie. Everybody who come from Tel Aviv can say it's true.
Yeah,
I'm not buying a shop. I'm not buying a bar.
Yo,
into a place and you're out. You not even know if it's a taxi drop off and here is a bus or is a train or whatever.
Exactly.
Boy, them jelly of England is what happened to Uno. You understand? Is what happened to Uno. Them look like
them stop cook them good food and them turn English and yam fish and blood clot chips and the good fried fish and the little cod one in the butter and it gone up in their head. That's why when them come out England them feel like them get nice around here and figure
calculate it now, cause I am my mother. You understand me? Because from night you ask me the question. The 3rd of December 1972. Tell Bashi say go and go Google that because she want to find out my age. She know my address.
The all of your information, your detail, your fake business, your £2 business, £1 business. The man when I want you, the pitney when I chat to you, all of the fucking white pitney them, we're supposed to do that accumulate, them the one you need a Bashi, where do you live, Bashi? Bashi, where do you live? Shall we start, Bashi? Why are you doing this, Bashi? I don't tell you, don't. I told you, pack your blood clot bag, you know. I told you. This little English girl will make you jump back on a plane. Don't do it. Stop calling people for defend you. It don't work. So, yo, and you see all this next one named Puss. I don't even know you, darling. Yeah? So, I don't want to get too disrespectful. But what I'm not done, I don't understand. I said this already, and I'm going to say it again in my good English voice. How can you take any talk from Bashi? How can any of you people take talk from Bashi when you rub out Bashi? Bashi shit over Yassa with her tail between her legs. And now Bashi, I come back to give Una strength. And Una take strength from Bashi. That, yo, my granny tell me when I do carry come blood clot story. And Una born and grow Jamaica. I born in England and I know that. But you don't have a fucking little snake. I piss around on a blood clot garden and I turn on a blood clot fool. Bashi come back with Una now. Because from last week, all week, you Una rub out Bashi. So what make? Hello? Una fit from Bashi blood clot potato juice. That's what's going on. You lot are all sucking on Bashi potato juice. Understand Bashi don't have no blood clot money. Company worth 2 blood clot pound. She can't help nobody. So when she a promise and a promise, a scam, she a scam, and the whole world knows that she a fucking scammer. She under investigation. On a Lego off of Bashi, cause all who sit in that the shit name Bashi, all on a blood clot drown. And a little English girl from England, born in UK, parents from Jamaica, that is gonna bring down Bashi. So all who want jump and sit down in a Bashi ship, I beg gonna do. Yeah? For on a really make Bashi make all a ton food for IG.
It's
fucking
true,
idiot. Big old woman idiot. Hello?
Like a ball. Brassy was with Puss. You bum you with Tanya. You leave Tanya, you gone to Amory. No, you switch from Tanya, you're gone back to Puss. What's wrong with you, Brassy? What's wrong with you?
It's not even what's wrong with Brassy or what's wrong with blood clot then. Cause you can't send me and you a blood clot friend and you go sit down with my fucking enemy and come back where? Where? Come back to who? Cause you see where you coming? May I take the information and then may I go bust your head for you.
Don't need get the flex. She couldn't come on my phone and chat nobody. Cause from she come and she start chat Chris Biscuit. She start chat Jenna. She start chat Tanya. She start say you are set up things. You get me? Then she come and she start chat talk about diary. Then she start talk about candy. You get me? I saw me draw myself, but me say yo, this not right. Me have a shift. You understand me? And I keep it neutral with her. You get what I say? Neutral with blood. Neutral.
And this is not you, honestly.
Neutral. Neutral with her. Neutral with her. Neutral with her. Come, me not do blood clot mix up. You understand me? Anything me have to say, me I say it in front of your face. You understand me? Argument done. I write the so the chop. Go and move your blood clot. You understand me? All the woman vex her. She want me to come out and cuss Tanya, and it weren't going to happen. You understand me? Me never cuss pretty girl.
Every minute,
Tanya face you can't look on. When I go call Chifa, Tanya face you can't look on. Tanya face and then she drop asleep, you still want. You want to sit down and look on her and drop a blood clot sleep. You understand me? You can't look on wake her sleeping.
People, jealousy, a wicked disease in our red eye, envious, a wicked disease in our.
That's what I'm picking up from Brassy towards Tanya. You understand?
Jealous, she a hate pan her.
Brassy, me I tell you the truth, Brassy, you don't know me. Me not see no girl in America where you can send for come war me, Brassy. You understand? Kevin tell me, say to myself, say, yeah, me I go war 10 people. Them not see me when me I war them. Come me walk by them yard and lie down on the rubbish.
All people that are taking this are making me just make know me can sew up for copyright ask permission first.
I said to the woman, Danny. I said to her, Dan, I say, yo, Lord the thing, you're a big man. Oh, you reach what they so. You see what I say? I say you shouldn't even in her that. You get me? She come back again. I say to her one day, I say, you know, say at the end of the day right now, but she did one cause stand a long time because you have up the girl. You get me? You see what I say? Every time I hold a conversation with them, I make sure now hold it in a no private blood clot way. You get me? She called me one night, but up on the live. Oh, Tanya knows her daughter.
Bomber clot, our dad, she take me out of her blood clot live 2 all fucking hour.
Yeah, she called me phone and she said, oh, Tanya knows. I said, Bashi, where you come with? Please, Bashi, don't draw me. I beg you, I come back and I tell Bree, I say, Bree, you know I'm pissed off right now because this woman I try to draw me in something where I don't want in her. You get me? She come back, yeah? Oh, me should I tell her when Tanya come for my life? Why am I going to tell you when Tanya come for my life?
Why are we going to tell her when this time right now, Una keep calling for Brashy, the blood clot, I sit down in here under one of she 25,000 fucking fake blood clot called. Don't you Irish potato girl. Mash on blood clot fight. Bashi. Hold on. Show yourself Bashi now. Show your blood clot self Bashi. Rise up. Cause you're there.
One day, me and my brethren there on a live, yeah? And Bashi come up in it, yeah? Bashi in on the live on one of our page Irish, and then she come in our fake page and make it look as if a puss come on a true word. And I say to my friend, My friend is here, yeah, she can come. I'ma say to my who's not there. Me know who. Them time them know say a Bashi page. So Bashi up on the live with one page and then she come in with the next
On the
page
next
and make it
page.
look like say a puss come did for make argument. Ma have the live save. Ma have the blood clot live save. So me I go find the live and me I go put up the blood clot live. So all puss things say, she da set you up. She did want you come blood clot out. She did want me cuss you. You understand me? And me I go show you say me no need for blood clot live because let me tell you something. My grandmother said
Them
one
around there, sit down with them.
I thought the Prime Minister.
Them not know. And I even say and can say and say now what with them the people there. Not even say.
All of we are big growing ass woman. Sometimes he come from work, me tired.
Thank you, Dan. Yo, I look at the woman. People, this is where it starts coming up.
Listen, go.
Okay.
But this is the thing. People need to, we have bigger issue going in the fucking world than post. And Bashi and who the fuck else want join them fucking entourage and I go on like this I pay them like them electric. It can take them to the party. Them can drink on this argument. Them can yam off for this argument, blood clot. If I saw argument so sweet, me need to take up arguing for my occupation. Cause I never know something could have rich, so.
Yeah, to bring down
the thing is, Bree no, cause from it start from day one, me I go to Bree and me I say, Bree, watch the flex here. You get me? Me look pon Bree, yeah, I'ma say, Bree, you know that woman there want me cuss the girl? She want me join up for
and what did I say? And it don't go circle when I buy out people argument, yeah? You want to argue with you better have the argument for doing that. Don't call me for doing no. Come me and don't know each other. And me not go cuss nobody because I say so. And it's that simple. Everybody look in what people, you know, look the friend.
Yeah, Annie say, where say no, Annie?
Yeah, I'll show you how far I take it, because I don't want an argument, yeah? I want it done. I say, yo, Lord, the thing, you're a big man, you don't need for that, so. I call her phone and I reason with her. I say, Bashi, seriously, Lord, that. You get me? I'm at work one day, yeah, and Uko messaged me and said she want to talk to me. I'm say, cool. You get me? Anyway, yeah, I said my number go give Uko. Uko call me. Uko said to me, say, don't get involved. I say, Uko, at the end of the day, yeah, I am not getting involved, and you no need to get involved neither. Because Bashi done want to stand here from morning. And all I did was start the truth. I say, Uko can come talk the truth. I say, Uko, leave it alone. This need for done because a dog name dog right there so right now. You understand me? Look for where I go on. You understand me? You get me? They do everybody. They cuss this one, then they come back, they friend that one, then they come back, they cuss that one. You see me? Me look for her again. Me call Bashi again and me say, Bashi, seriously, like, me can't believe how you really are BFC. You need to load the thing. You get me? Me carry her in with DM. Me carry her in with DM. So them could have hear. Yo, one day she talk to me, yeah? And I said to her, I said, I hope you not record me, you know. Because I know where she good for, she normally record people. And you know the woman cry, I want to say, no, how could you say that to me? Me and your friend, me couldn't record you. You get what I say?
So blood clot lie, Don. My auntie, when me never even know the mix up, call me and say, yo,
right,
me niece, me beg you do me a favor. Phone Annie and tell her down blood clot up on the phone with that the girl because I record there. My Annie not say me no number from my auntie call me to tell me to pass that message. There's something in a song come and it don't do mix up. She don't do mix up.
Before Bree auntie could have said that to Bree, yeah, the night when she called me back again, yeah, I'm there on the phone with her. I'm going to show you how I'm wiser than your Bashi, because guess what? Me a blood clot, me no idiot. Me smart, me intelligent. You can't fool me. Me a fool blood clot. Because me a trick you all along. When she called me off for the live, me and Bree upon live, and she called me off for the live, yeah? And me a move on in my house, because when me move to certain place, you can't photo out. She depend, repeat that now, I'm not hear that because I know you're recording me. So I say to her, you think I'm gonna repeat myself and don't backtrack my fucking self. You understand me? Like I'm not walking back
There's
way.
a Sagittarius, stick up in, let me tell you something. And if I lie, me I tell Tanya. Me say, it's when time Brass come and attack to Tanya. Me say, Tanya, me no like Brass, you know. Me not trust Brass, you know. We have pick up in a Brass now for Tanya. You understand? She say, no man, she had come tell me we push on Erica and them things they are going. Me say, listen to this, Tanya. I don't trust Brass, you know. Girl like Brass to get gunshot, you know. You understand? Because she bomb right over from Pussy, she used to kill you. I know she come back to you now and I come tell you now. We push who did started from who did end. You hear me, Tanya?
Yeah.
I want in a nothing with them kind of people then.
True.
All right. Lock her up and stay far from her now. You understand? Through the Jew thing come up now. Me they are working, I work me there now. When them say me win $100 now. All of them, me I say, yeah, and I say, me no $100 coming over and give them man them name. Because I don't know if my feds and I don't know what it is. Anyway, me no have no illegal activity I go on them. Also, me will take my $100 yeah. Saying that, you know, me attempt to do all of them in a car, and you can't tell which part me come up from, and me when you're man, you know. You
True.
understand? And
True.
me say everybody fall in love and I stick on for this blood clot, man, yeah. I know them don't know who the man is, you know. You understand? Till sweet, you know. Sweet, you know. Sweet, you know. You know, see him can't call me name. Most of one time I ever talk to him on IG like how we are talk right now. You understand?
Yeah.
The same thing when me I say now, and the same thing me that say, this one for done because this one, this and that one. That's it, yeah.
They make this a war go to blood clot for because them affect people bomber
Exactly.
clot pick me up and not give no girl no ratings that can make a war with she.
Exactly.
Got so partly
Exactly.
affect people fucking pick me. You can't get no
Yeah.
ratings. Man, I care how much stripe that you did gain in a all tough age.
And
All of them strip off for you.
I'm sucking in for because the only person sucked me into this and it's Bashi. No one else sucked me into it. It's Bashi go to push for push to come for me. You understand me? So me know
But
where I'm
she
going.
can't do nothing to nobody by herself. She always have to beg friend.
All I had said that it need to done. Leave Tanya alone. She not doing nothing. You just have her up and you wanted to cuss her. You're a big woman. Where you
she need for done. It don't make no sense.
Okay. So I'm getting persecuted. I am getting persecuted because I tell Bashi to leave Tanya alone. I tell Bashi you don't need to be in that. So basically, yeah, I've been pulled in because I would not take any side. You understand me? Me never did I go help on a crucify blood clot Jesus. You understand me? Me did I go leave the man with them slippers. You get first of all, me and God don't wear same size. You understand me? So me never did I go take off Jesus foot off.
As I say to people, anyhow you can have argument for more than a month, 2 months, something, do your blood clot. Much less to go in a fucking years. Years?
Annie, listen to this, Bree. Me know Annie for more than 40.
True. It's true. It's true, Shatta. We know it. We grew up in the same area. We grew up in the same community. We grew up in the same community. Ask this girl. Ask this woman. Ask Dan. Ask this girl. If me and Dan ever argue. Trust me. Ask her. Ask her.
I make people draw out a blood clot, them good character. On a feel shame. On a big old woman feel shame.
Ask this. Yo, me and Dan mouth never have to catch up yet. You see me? Yo, trust me. Hey, Dan. Yeah, the green. She used to buy exercise, so she wear the cream and green.
We can't say the girl come out of here and go to school because her grandmother Annie strict on her. So you understand? So when these people come with these mix up and all these things, you understand? Me actually a beg Annie. Me actually a beg her. See Annie,
I true.
to me, no, please.
I true. And them drive it in my ears. Them drive it in my ears. Drive it in my ears. Them build fake page. And them come, say, Dana cuss your mother, Dana cuss your sister, Dana cuss, yo, them drive. I'm a sit down one day and a Bree. And me I say, yo, but Dan, that's another Dan when I know. And me I watch the pre. And me I say, oh, so it's a setup. Them want to cuss Soini, but them don't know how to cuss Soini. So them go and want to make a cuss down now for we and Dan in an argument. I so come stop it now. Cause Dan come to me and Dan tell me, you know, but where them know how did for trigger my head.
Annie, yeah, and then somebody say to Annie, make the dirty woman go and shago. She says so. You see, from that happen, just make one X and say, damn, you lose your life right there, so. And not no go so. You understand, but
I true yata. I true yata.
I couldn't not let it go, Annie. I wouldn't say I couldn't let it go. But always I said to Tanya.
Okay, sorry to cut you, because I got to put it out again. Yeah? Anybody will anyone will screen record this year live here tonight? Yeah? Me I go find you and you go get sued. Dawn is a guest of ours upon our show, so she come underneath it too. Yeah, she never agree for nobody for screen recorder and play her nowhere else. So Dawn, if you find them, you just DM me them, please, so we can get it dealt with properly. Come here, I go show on the grown ass women have to deal with things like fucking grown up. It names slander, it names suing. On the money but a tall and scam my money now go get you out of this. Me just have to say. Okay.
I say, I feel bad because I tell us we're at Tel Aviv. And America, we come from one poor life and God bless us. And we come here and we have things. We can help back people back home at Jamaica. We can do things people back at Jamaica. And me, I go tear down Annie, I go tear me down. Me, Sweden living at the Bronx. You want to tell me, say, some girl look like, say, them want to jump and I can't.
Yeah, for sure.
Yo, it now go on, yes, sir.
We have loyalty when it. One thing we tell Avil people, girl, where you grow up with, where we all grow up, when it comes to defend with each other, that's how we stay. You get me?
That's right.
Like so, girl, you come and I try war with Tel Aviv, girl, and trust me. And when them attack, them a clink up and war with the girl them down a south. You get me? And when them dust done us, from the girl them come from south and I try war with them, them a clink up. Yeah? Trust me.
Annie, I keep on telling Tanya, everything what Brasa says she know about Hanover Street, Tel Aviv is not true.
She don't know nothing. She don't know nothing about Hanover Street, Tel Aviv. She don't know. She come down to my yard there when I didn't even remember her, you know. I didn't, because when Bashia come on my yard, I was picnic. Yeah, when she come down Hanover Street, I was picnic. Bashia big man. Bashi and Rambo father is friend. Yeah, a Rambo father and Bashi supposed to be the same age. You understand me? A Rambo father, a big man over Rambo father in her 50s. Yeah? Rambo father in her 50, I go nearly 60.
But she said she come from Simically and upper where me live.
She come from Greenwich Farm. She come from Greenwich Farm, yeah. Greenwich Farm is where my dad come from, plus Rambo grandfather, which is my uncle. Yeah. She used to come up to my house here with Rambo dad. Because Rambo dad used to come look for my grandmother, because my grandmother and Rambo father for call my granny auntie. So I saw come Bashi. Reach a my yard at Tel Aviv. Bashi don't know nothing about Tel Aviv. I asked me, I go get all my cousin for come on the live. You get me? Because when Bashi come on Hanover Street, I'm picnic, bro.
Time parents' yard. And him living there till him get 3 children in there. And the same years when my brother says she live into that yard. The man live into that yard and do not know brother. Then again, brother says she come from Tivoli. You understand? Calling Cholan
But
side with
she come
Tiffany.
from Greenwich Farm. She come from Greenwich Farm. That's where she come from, Greenwich Farm. Rona 7th Street. That's where she come from. 7th Street, Greenwich Farm. And down there my papa come from. And down there my granduncle come from. And down there my uncle them come from. And down there so our baby father come from. You understand me? Our baby father they are Jamaica right now. You understand me? You get what me I say, Bashi, calm yourself down. Please, I beg you. Yeah, I beg you just calm yourself down.
Go away. Lady, when you're Susie, I don't know you. Go away. You can the way you talk, but you want to know.
So what happened?
Me go to church jump. But to me all is all of the anointed at church all the time. They can't hold me when me get out. And you understand? But this time, me never honor no anointed and the liquor anointed. They say a big man, I just start kick everybody down their bars and kick down, the way call them, the one that will hold you in that spirit. So they will say, Sister Susie, oh Lord Jesus, what? Me say, Pastor, me I tell you the truth, you know. And anointed me on that, you know. Me had some weed and some Hennessy anointed. And she said, what? Go sit at the back bench and we talk to you. Let me just walk out and grab my purse. Everybody I laugh and say, Lord Jesus Christ. And what is today Sunday? A demon? No, demon in me. Not a demon in me. My eye.
But you disrespect, that's your fan. And that's your go on. So me look at you disrespect the house of the Lord.
Listen, the pastor supposed to be know me. Say, the real. As father got there with a shit at me and rebuke
no,
me.
No, you're so now that's can't say that because you're for the pastor and said they didn't read my love and say no, you're like God because you serve a God. I agree for God now you the pastor.
That's how we know so them faith. So me tell her the truth. She said at least me honest.
Yeah, honest. Yeah, you're honest. Your church members.
Yeah, me tell her some go drink. Me tell her the truth. Me say pastor some go drink, you know.
Church drunk.
You know, me I go
church. With Jamaica, me I go church every Sunday. Me I go church. Me take out my me I go church in earring. Me I go church in no for my ring. Or to me have plan me as jewelry and chain. Me just want nice simple chain on my neck. Me take out every jewelry me have. And me come back.
Me not gonna tell lie. Me not gonna tell no lie. At the end of the night, me talk the truth and me just me not even go fake. Me not care who the one could say yo me drunk. And it church in a fade away anyway because I be dressing up them don't be me say them go all out at church in a Griffin Road, you know. Griffin Road sitting a lot of day. They go all out when them are dressed, Virgin.
I got my day. Tomorrow is the next deal. Do I come here tomorrow? Tomorrow is the next day for your dirty blood clot. I'm going to rub out your blood clot again. Like me, you can't keep a blood clot woman in your life. The girl them no want you. Peer man them after you. I don't want to get your friend night, you know. But every blood why the girl them no want to know? I don't want to know. Then no. Then brush no for one blood clot. What left? Me no deal with blood clot. What left? You know, say my boy them sexy. Hey girl, oh if you talk say, hey girl, come up me talk my business. Tell your blood clot. No dirty animal. Me talk my business. But the blood clot, you for say me want you for fuck me. And me blood clot come a London, yeah? By the time I come a London, let me see. It wasn't on my normal trip. I came for my friend birthday. So this trip, another trip, people, when me never stay a blood clot yard, me talk my business. Since you want my business talk, Annie, move your dirty blood clot. You know, see when me step in your house, the Sunday in the day when me I go home, I say, me just stop by your cuss me. I say, bruh, sure you know come back. I say, alright, me go stop by your yard quickly. You know, see all the nice blood clot man I ring down my blood clot phone when me in your house. Me for go around in your bedroom and take the blood clot conversation. Annie? You forgot. You forgot some have a nice blood clot cocky and dance. Oh, you reach for me and your hey girl, go up. Them report my live brush. Oh, that happened. Yeah. 1 minute brush. Oh, come the breaking news. Them dirty blood clot, And when me reach in the house, a nice sweet man a call me down when I come from a friend birthday party. Come from a friend birthday party, you know. Yeah, me never stay by you. Me stay over into the Hilton blood clot hotel. Anya, who you talk to? Annie, who you talk to? When you call me, I say, Annie, me in the Hilton blood clot hotel. Go. I'm beside and I will stop by your yard when I'm passing. I'm a pass by, I'm a stop. I see as I'm reaching your house, the nice clean blood clot businessman, I call him a blood clot phone, Annie. Blood clot go. They so come talk about that. I see as a brush you have man and done. A man long time, Annie. Yeah, watch out my blood clot hole for dirt, Annie. I watch out my hole. Watch out my hole. I'm say one gay girl, they tell me if it's far from me, you know, when she see me come on your live, you know. Yeah. She see me up on the live, you know. She tell me, say, Rashi, what you do with she? You know them girls, you know. Yeah. Move your dirt blood clot. All your friend hate you. Your own friend hate you. Blood clot. Your brother sister, whatever you want. Tell her she hate you too. Cause she say you mix up her blood clot name with one of her friend. Yeah. One of her fucking friend. For sure, you know. And I'm show you how your blood clot mouth give a problem, yeah. Your mouth give a problem, yeah. But yeah. Twice your mouth give a problem, yeah? Let me tell you how your mouth give a problem. You see the girl and her friend, what she call friend/mother, yeah? And you see her with her friend/mother, and you went and suck out her friend/mother pussy, then you want to mix up your friend who let you know her friend/mother. The girl have your up feet, and she say up to this very day vex her, or you did want to mix her up. She say, I saw anytime you get she tell you nothing, you mix it up and twist it up over there, so like something wrong with your head. Move your blood clot, and I mean make you have blood clot amnesia. And then I ask you something, you got 2 menopause or blood clot what? I know. Them you just record your page. Yeah, boy, breaking news, you don't come on, come through something. Yeah, she eat it, she have your up feet blood clot, Annie. I tell you that blood clot, drunk cross all the people, and them friend you like to run up in night and then move your dirty blood clot and go away. Or you can tell me the truth. Go tell yourself the truth first, Annie. Go tell yourself the truth. Tell yourself that my name is Annie. My name is Andy /boy girl. I like to kill myself at times. I try suicide myself. I trouble with stress/depression, all sort of things, and that you forgot blood clot talk about. Yeah. That you forgot talk about and that you forgot rub out, move your blood clot and I say me not done with you. Hey, me shut my eye over yesterday, you know.
She shuts her eyes and rub, guys.
It's a crackhead used to fuck that. What kind of bad man am I used to fuck that? Crackhead used to fuck blood clot that. You understand me, Dan? Come on, fix up your language, man, and don't blood clot. Don't make your mouth get too busy to your ears so Jackie blood clot then. Because guess what? God give me a trip on a blood clot talent and one man can do. You know what we do it now. Read up on my blood clot history. Don't fuck with my family. What kind of bad man am I used to fuck that? Crackhead used to fuck blood clot that. You understand me, Dan? Come on, fix up your language, man, and don't blood clot do that. Don't make your mouth get too busy to your ears so Jackie blood clot 20 years of natural cause. I did tell her I take a banana orange to send me go to school so the man never batch her down there. You understand me? So me never dig up your, me never tell nobody that. Me never did tell nobody that. Me did my business. I act like me don't know nothing. So whenever dig up my mother went dead for how much blood clot you to tell chin blow my mother for. Yeah, like Donna, woman that used to walk on the same blood clot one. Our mother never used to mix up with people. You understand me? She won't one corner for your blood clot self and I was fair corner that. You understand me? Dan, please not beg you. Don't touch my mother. Don't go there. I beg you. I mean, I want to even speak. Don't go there. You understand me? Because guess what? When we read out portfolio, we're not reading it wrong. We're going to read it properly. You understand that? You know, so from your little bit. Oh, a bad man used to fuck me. No, it's a crackhead. Used to fuck you. Me remember vividly. What she call bad man? Bad man over here. Bad man away kill people. Bad man away, you see, them rape has done. Yeah.